In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a OneNote section. If you're trying to clean up an old notebook, remove sections you no longer need, or simply keep your workspace more organized. This is a quick process and very easy to do once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along in real time. To begin, open OneNote and go to the notebook or page where the section you want to remove is located. Make sure you're in the correct notebook before making any changes, especially if you use multiple notebooks for work, school, or personal notes. Taking a second to confirm this can help you avoid deleting the wrong section by mistake. Once you're inside the right notebook, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where your notebook content is organized, and you should be able to see the section you want to delete listed there. Sections are typically used to group related pages together, so before deleting one, it's a good idea to quickly check that you no longer need the notes inside it. When you've found the section you want to remove, right-click on that section in the left panel. This will open a menu with several options related to that section. If you're using a trackpad or a device without a standard mouse, you may need to use the equivalent right-click gesture to bring up the same menu. From that menu, click Delete Section. As soon as you select that option, OneNote will remove the section. Because deleting a section can also remove the pages stored inside it, it's worth being careful here. If there's anything important in that section, consider reviewing it first before deleting. And that's it. Those are the steps to delete a OneNote section. Open the correct notebook or page. Right-click the section from the left panel and choose Delete Section. If you're organizing a crowded notebook, repeating this process can help make everything easier to navigate. Just take your time and double-check each section name before removing it. A little caution goes a long way when managing notes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly delete a section in OneNote with confidence.